Hello everyone, and welcome to South Holland Library's Reading Theater for the month of March. My name is Miss Michelle, and I am so excited about this month's theater theme. Just to give you a sneak preview, for the month of March, the stage will be set in a special kind of place where performers will surely bring smiles and tickles and giggles to not only the actors, but the audience as well. I encourage you to invite everyone in your household to attend what I know will be the most incredible performance ever. Actors and actresses, remember to display your talents by choosing a character from the March script and take turns reading your part out loud. And you really don't have to practice or dress in costumes or even memorize your part, because the script can be performed different ways over and over again. Just make sure to read in a clear voice so everyone can hear every single word in your part of the script. Also remember to really act your part by using different kinds of faces, funny faces, sad faces, surprise faces, happy faces, and move your arms, move your legs, and twist your body to act out each role you are playing. Just use your imagination. You can stop by the library beginning Tuesday, March 2nd, and pick up your reading theater kit. The March kit will include an introduction to our reading theater, our March reading theater script, and a cool March craft to do at home with your family. I know you will have the best time ever giving outstanding performances that will show others just how creative and talented you are. So have lots and lots of fun with our reading theater and craft. Until next time, goodbye for now.